Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. If you notice here, it say it's sent to auto M&D auto repair, but this piece here is for Toyota Highlander from 2014 to 2016. Tail light, you see, 2014 to 2016. I just take it out and it have some screws, one here, one here, one here, one here. I try to remove the screws and open it, but it doesn't want to open. The only piece that come out is this one here. You see this? It have some support here in this area, and then you can put it back like this and it's go here, you see. But other than that, there is nothing for this. I took this screw from inside, from here, but it also look like it's glued. But this tail light is available in Amazon, I believe, or online. If you have this car and you need this part, I believe this is like right side. It's supposed to have some numbers here. It show if it is left side or right side. But check your car. If you need the left side or right side, it will tell you. If it's not, this is the piece how it's come, and this is the right side, I believe. But check it correctly, be sure. But this is how it look like. Highlander, and here they say 14 to 19 extended, but also be sure to check 14 to 16 Toyota Highlander, or just say 14 16 Highlander, or Highlander 14 to 19 custom. If you need this one here, you can get it, KSI or a part maybe. It come in. I just took it out. I don't believe this is just for information. It have couple of screws here. I'm gonna take out. I will throw it away. This is where we get it in case you need something for your car. Get it from here. I will put a link where you can get them for your car. If you need any other accessories, visit the link below. But yes, you may get it from the dealer original and aftermarket. They work too, but the dealer one is original, but it work far more better than aftermarket. But sometime based on your budget. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.